Hi, we are the second grade group and we did Cultures of the World. It was Erica, Valerio, Sarah Kim, and Nidya Vazquez. Our lesson, Cultures of the World, was aimed at being an all inclusive, culturally relevant, and diverse unit, deriving from our students and family origins. We begin each week by visiting a new country, learning about their people, culture, customs, and geography. We set out to incorporate multiple areas of curriculum, such as geography and language arts. Our lessons were designed to include multiple means of representation from videos, games, songs, artwork, and personal experiences. Our students would use the knowledge gained throughout the lesson to complete a simple art project in the form of a passport, in which they include images such as the flag, food, landmarks, or anything they deemed representative of the country. They further use their knowledge to answer questions, prompts, or to complete small writing assignments. Our journey begins in Mexico, where we had delicious tacos de pastor. Then we flew to France to see the Eiffel Tower, had kimchi in Sao, went for a gondola ride in Venice. We traveled down under with Christmas in the summer, visited the birthplace of Audrey Hepburn and devoured their famous Belgian waffles, ran with the bulls in Spain, and took part in the Pride of Nigeria, the Calabar Carnival. Every week, after the students learned about a different country, they added the country's flag and drew images that reminded them of that country. It gave the students the opportunity to use their creativity and show that they learned something from the lesson. Based on our evaluation of each student's writing samples, we determined the areas of help that the students needed the most. We decided to focus on punctuation, capitalization, and sentence structure to help improve their writing. We used the explicit instruction teaching strategy as I do, we do, you do, to make sure that the students understood the topics and was able to demonstrate it. As the students were working on their final writing projects, we noticed that the students had some memory gaps about the steps of the writing process. So we did many lessons on that, and the students had a better understanding of what they were supposed to do in each step. This is a sample of some of the content and media used during our mini lessons. The writing process was developed over several weeks with our students. We spent time learning how to use graphic organizers to brainstorm, using bubble maps to build our drafts, what to correct during editing, how to revise writing by adding, removing, and moving details, and finally, to publish their complete work. Our students were given support based on their needs. Students were given additional lessons, sentence starters, and a review of the content as needed. These are some of the samples of our students' writings from various parts of the mini lessons and writing process. For our final project, the students wrote one well-developed paragraph on their favorite country. Students were asked to use their prior knowledge of the writing process as well as the country of choice to develop these paragraphs and provide supporting details.